Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Can't Start Live Broadcast on Facebook.
So first
thing we're gonna need to
do
do is just check your internet
connection,
connection because a weak or unstable internet connection can cause live stream
So we
errors.
just have to make sure that
So we just have to make sure that we
strong
have
Wi-Fi
a
or
strong
data connection.
Wi-Fi or data connection.
You can also
try
try
switching from Wi-Fi to
or vice
mobile
versa.
data
And
or
see if it
vice versa
resolves
and
the
see if
issue.
it resolves
And
the
the
issue.
next thing we're gonna do
And
is
next
to
thing we're
clear
gonna do
cache
is
and
to
data.
clear cache
So for
and
Android,
data.
just have to go
So
to
on
settings,
Android,
tap on
you
apps,
just have to go to settings,
Facebook,
tap
and
on
then
apps,
storage.
then
And from there, you
Facebook,
can see
then
the
go to
clear
storage,
cache
and
clear
then
data. So
go
you
ahead
just
and
have to
tap on
that.
clear cache and
From
clear
iOS,
data.
which
On
is what I'm
iOS,
using
which
right now,
is
just have
what I am
to
using
delete
right
the
now,
application,
we just
which is the
have
Facebook,
to
and then
delete
reinstall it from the
our
App Store.
Facebook
This will clear
application
the cache
and then
automatically.
reinstall it from the App Store.
And lastly is
this
to
clears
update
the
or
cache
reinstall
automatically.
the Facebook application.
So after clearing the
So
cache
an
or
update-
reinstalling,
an outdated
just
app
have to
version
log
may
in
cause
back
errors.
and
So
try
you have to check for
starting
any
to live
updates
or
on the
start
Google Play or App Store.
Facebook
So
application.
We're just gonna go to
So
our
you just have to go
App
to
Store,
our
and
Play
then from
Store or
here,
App
just
Store,
have to
and then
type search for
Facebook.
Facebook. Enter. And
And
as you
then
can
in
see,
here,
there
just
is an
have to
update
tap on
button,
update.
which means that you have to update your application. So you just have to
and
tap on
that should resolve
And once
or
it is done
help fix the
updating,
issue.
then
And
that
that's
should
it. I hope
help
you find this video
fix the
helpful.
issue.
Thank you for watching.
And
I'll see you
that's
in the
it.
next one.
I hope you
Bye.
find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye!